Let's taste test the rarest chocolate on Earth. This one right here even costs $500 just for a bar of chocolate. Give it a try. This bar costs $12, and only 20,000 are made a year. This one is number 8,785.
We ate the other ones. Ding.
Cheers.
Very dark.
Yeah.
My grandma would like it.
$15 chocolate made from the highest grade of culinary matcha. For an extra $3, you get a better wrapper. Whoa, wait, I did not think this would be green.
Ours look.
Cheers.
I'm so confused.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste like chocolate at all.
$16 chocolate aged in bourbon whiskey barrels
Maybe
for
it is-
several months.
Is it gonna make me drunk?
Cheers.
This is definitely my least favorite one, I think.
Yeah. You feel the flavor. It kind of like punches you in the mouth. $23 chocolate, and this is apparently made from translucent cocoa pods. That's a cool background on the back. Cheers. That might be my favorite so far.
I like the
How is
aftertaste.
this?
$40 chocolate.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa.